when you walk through this door and you see these rooms, all you're gonna see is wow. And one of my favorite things in this house, it is the way these pictures are looking good. Remember, this is one bedroom, all side is 65 square meters, with for just 7.15 million Kenya shillings. This is one bedroom understudy, and here we are now at the study. It's looking so good, fitted with this good looking wardrobe, and also a place where you can sit and do your study. From there, we head on to the, let's call it sitting room or den. This is the beautiful kitchen, fitted already. This kitchen already is fitted already with this electric cooker. It has where you can do your dishes. It has this burner that you can see. One for electricity, one for gas. This way you do your laundry. Yeah, remember this is one bedroom, and that is costly from 60 is the price from that for the regular. This way you can do your kitchen. It's looking so beautiful, so good. From there we head out. Yeah, we are out. This is now the living area. So from the living area, let's go first to the bathroom or the washroom. This is the, you can call it the master bedroom for this one house. So it's so big. You can see this a bigger bedroom in a bigger place. So here you see the wardrobe there. You can store your clothes over there. The lighting and the lighting. We love the lighting. So that's what you have to see that house is so good. So have this that so that you can have as much as possible light in your house. So you can put the one bedroom house or apartment or house. So you have one bigger bed space. So from there, that's around what you can enjoy the house. You know, the washroom, you can have the shower there. So the kitchen, everything is totally ready. Just for you to come and look at this place. Yeah, come on the price. Wash your hands and then have this the washroom. That's the bedroom. Now we go to this good sit room. Area. So it's looking so good, looking so wow. You have these beautiful fitted lights over here. You can look at them. So this chair, it has a good couch, and also remember it has a balcony. So remember this, it has a balcony. So in some houses it looks so good. You see. So this is a kind of place where the lights that's in, the doors, the doors is in, and also the balcony is the place that's it's like a mini street. That's why you go and chillax. And now you can watch this area. You know, this place is Kilimani. This place is Kilimani in Nairobi, where you can decide to visit this place. You see these carpets are already fitted for you. It is so beautiful. So you have these good panels already situated here. You can look where you can have your dining area. You can have a couch there. You can choose your couch, pick another couch if you like, or if you may. Look this beautiful fitted rose on beautiful flowers already here, or you just come and buy. So this is a good place that you can decide to invest in. Just going for just 7.5 million shillings. Located in Kilimani. These are called Capital. Yeah, it's called Capital Garden. If this feels like the one, it's probably the one. DM me for more info and pick up and have a visit.